Guys, I'm going to do this video for a lady. She contacted me and told me she's having a difficult time, very difficult time ventilating. So you notice the first thing, I got glasses on so that I can be able to see. Another thing that I'm going to tell you is that if you don't have experience in ventilating, you never ventilate on lace. Lace is way too fine. When you have years of experience on ventilating, then you can move on to the lace. But if you ain't got experience, I would not recommend it. But with the ventilating needle, another key thing, it has like a fishing hook on it. So it has little bitty different hooks on it. So that's what's making it getting snapped. So when I'm going into the lace, whatever way I put the needle in, that's the same way I take the needle out. So this is big. A. Marie never tells her secret. So if you see right here, I'm taking my needle and I'm taking it in that way and I'm taking it out. Same way I went in, look, same way I went out. See how easy I'm going in, out, in, out, in, out. I'm not getting snapped. In, out. So I'm going to do a little ventilating and just show you. Once you, whatever way you go in, that's the same way you're going to go out. It's not a problem. The same way you go in is the same way that you go out. So don't turn that needle in no other direction. If you see, I'm going in that way, and that's the same way I'm coming out. So this is the tip that you needed. But I will say to you, sweetie, you need to practice. Practice make perfect. I wouldn't dare go on to lace without proper experience. You need more experience. And then you notice I got a white base. You going from lace to mash. You can't even see that. But if you see, I have a base where I'm able to see. So I use these glasses and I'm able to see. So whichever angle that needle go in, that's the same angle that this needle is coming out. So when you guys are trying to ventilate, that's what the problem is. That's why the needle is getting stuck, because you're turning the needle in other directions. Whatever direction you put that needle in, that's the same direction that needle needs to come out, guys. And that's going to be your key to getting your needle in and out. But if you don't have the experience in ventilating, it's not going to work out. So I'm answering this question in the video. I'm not available by phone. So I want you to watch this video a million times if you need to. So if you see, I take it. I'm going in, bringing that needle right back through. And it's not getting snapped. So that's going to be the way that you're going to get it in. So you see that? I go in, out. See? Again, in, and I'm able to get it out. So I think you need to be able to see first and foremost. So when you see this video, I was in a generous mood. I thought about you this morning, and I said, let me launch a video for her. So that's going to be your way of doing that. So thank you for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.